Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Emmeline. On this channel we talk about luxury, beauty, and just all things life because it happens. Yeah, so if you're interested in seeing what's going on in this video today, then please keep on watching. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about what is in this little box here. So obviously this is Louis Vuitton. This is also, disclaimer, not an unboxing. I've actually been using this for probably, I want to say 5 or 6 months now. So I just like to keep the boxes and everything intact because, well, it's Louis Vuitton. Okay, so let's jump in. I even tied it up because, like, why not? I'm just gonna open this up. See, it's just small, so you know it's nothing that can fit into many things. And here it is. This is the Louis Vuitton Zippy Wallet, and I have to say I've been using this for about 6 months, like I said, and it's probably my most favorite luxury good that I've ever bought. It's the most, I feel like I've the most used, definitely the most used Louis Vuitton purchase that I've ever made. And it's just so compact and I absolutely love it. This is obviously in the Damier Ebene print because, I mean, that's just, to me, my favorite Louis Vuitton print. It's a classic. It literally works with everything and it's very durable because when you're working with the lighter one, I forgot what it's called, Demi something, it just, you'll see a lot more scuff marks and it's lighter, so it'll definitely kind of get damaged a little bit quicker, while this I find to be so durable and I absolutely love it. As you can see, it has some gold hardware here, which I also absolutely love. I think it just gives a nice pop of color. Looking at it, because this definitely has been well used, there's definitely a little bit of discoloration. I don't know if you could see it. Let's see. Yeah, there's a little bit of discoloration and some marks here, which to me isn't too bad because I use this on a regular basis. It has an amazing zipper, so smooth. We'll do that again. So smooth. And the best part of this is the amount of space that you get. You see you have one big pocket on this side, one also pocket on the other side, and then you have these two areas here which also have card slots. And then right in the center is one slot here. Now, typically when I use this, I don't stuff this with all the possible cards because you can really fit a lot. I only really bring my essential, usually just my ID, a bank card, a credit card, cash, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what I usually bring. So for demonstration purposes, I will show you some things that will fit in the Zippy wallet so you can see, like, what, if you're someone who likes this stuff, how much you can actually put in here. So let's start. So I have some cash. Another thing that I love about this is the cash, you don't have to roll it up so many times. Literally, I just put it in half, cut it in half, and I usually just stick the cash right in this big section here. And then I also have a few cards here that, let me count it actually. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 cards that I'm also going to try to stuff in the wallet. So I'll put it in kind of how I would typically use it. So typically I will put 3 cards, which would be my ID, my bank card, and my credit card. We'll just use these as examples. I typically will put those in the middle slot just because those are my most used cards. It's typically why I would put it there. Okay. So it'll fit just like that. That's 3 cards right here. And then everything else I tend to just put in the back slot. So we'll put 2 cards in the back, I don't actually even use the actual card slots really, because it's just so easy just to put them. Literally, I put some cards here and I'll put some cards over here on this other section. But you could see I still haven't used this card slot here. I still haven't used this card slot here. And there's a whole open space on this side that you can add if you want to separate your bills, maybe have singles and big bills on either side. But you could see it fits all of that. And for me, I love downsizing. I did have a larger wallet before, and this just makes life so much easier for me. And I mean, for me, it's the perfect size, and I don't even walk around with all these cards. So that really shows how much you can really put, and there's tons of room to put more. So I'd have to say overall, if you are interested in getting this Zippy wallet, I would highly recommend it. It is really great quality, it fits a ton, and I don't even baby this at all. I stick it in all types of bags. I would say I typically do downsize when I'm using a mini bag, just because obviously for space reasons it just makes more sense to downsize for those things, but for the most part this is my go-to and what I use on a regular basis. Okay, y'all, well, that is pretty much it for this quick review on the Zippy wallet. I hope you guys enjoyed this, found it interesting, especially if you're interested in buying the Zippy wallet. Let me know in the comments below if you are. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, because I talk luxury, I talk beauty, and I talk life. And if you're interested in any of those things, I think you'll be interested in all the other videos that I have. So don't be a stranger, you know, like that, subscribe that, you know, and then we'll talk again, because that's what we do. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.